everyone, today I would like to show you this portable vacuum. You can use it in your car, home, you can clean your pet's hair, at your office maybe. I will send it for review. So it's pretty small, lightweight, you can take it with you everywhere. So here's the bottom. It comes with charging cable type C. Just have to press it. Let me show you. This is first speed. This is second. And it comes with so many different nozzles, brushes for your couch, maybe under your kitchen stool. Smaller, longer. So many extra filter, you can change it. I love this one. So you can easily brush your MacBook. A smaller one. Cable and instruction. Alright, let's try to clean my apartment and I will show you how it works. If you have a kids or pets, it always mess inside your couch. So let's try to use this nozzle. Wow. Some coffee beans on my carpet and on the floor. Let's see how it works. On the first speed, it works perfectly, so if it's so dirty, you can use second speed as well. It's always problem with moldings. I have so much dust right here, and it's hard to clean with regular vacuum. So let's try this one. Done. Nice and clean. Even my windows. And it's very easy to clean. You just have to take off this cup. Overall, guys, this is really great portable vacuum. So powerful, long battery, very easy to use. I love this all accessories. It comes together. Great product for your home, for your car, or for your work. You can find it on Amazon.